Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to use Adobe Firefly Recolor Vectors tutorial. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So let's begin with opening our web browser and just simply go to firefly.adobe.com. What you can do is sign in into your Adobe account so that you'll be able to access Adobe Firefly Beta. Here you can actually go to the gallery. You'll be able to see various images that were generated using Adobe Firefly. But the thing here is that what we will focus on today is about the recolor, wherein we will be editing a specific image that is an SGV file, and we will be converting that, or we will be changing the color themes within that specific design. So here, this is what we are talking about. This is generative recolor. So what you can do is just simply click on generate, and then here what you can do in order for you to change the color variations of your vector artwork is that you can either upload an SVG file, or you can use these sample prompts that you can use to create color variations here for a vector art. So you can actually use Adobe Illustrator as well, so that you will be able to create vector images and you can save it as SVG files. And as you can see here, what we can do is we will just try the sample prompts. So let's try this one here. And then once you click on try prompt, it automatically will provide you 4 different variations of the color schemes. And what you can do is you can actually type in a prompt on what type of color you'd like to incorporate here into the image, or you can actually use the sample prompts on the right side panel of the screen as well. Here on the top part, you'll be able to upload the SVG file if you want to create a new image. And here at the sample prompts are the different prompts that are being used here in Adobe Firefly that you can use as well, but you are definitely free to create your own as well. So here you have salmon sushi, you have terracotta desert, yellow submarine. You can definitely have those options. So if you want to modify the word, you can definitely do so. You can just type in this box here at the bottom part of the screen and then just click on generate, and it will provide you an image that is based on the prompt that you are creating. So the prompt here is only looking or will generate the color schemes for you, but it will not change the vector art that we are working on. So here you can see I prompt, or the prompt that I put it is ocean sunset, and as you can see it provides a color of sunset and a bit of blue. And here on the right side panel of the screen you see that there's harmony. Harmony is the colors that you can use on these color palette that you'll be using on this artwork. So what you can do is you can just simply go to default or click on the drop down button, and you have the option to either use complementary colors, analogous colors, tried colors, and a lot more. So here when you click on a specific image, you'll be able to see that there is the different colors that are being used here on this image. You can simply click on the shuffle icon, and it will automatically change the arrangement of the colors that are being used. The same color schemes, but it's just that the different, it will just shuffle the how the colors are being arranged. So here you can click on this download icon, and you can copy and download that as an SVG file as well. So here you can also choose what color you'd like your image to dominate. You can click multiple colors here depending on how many colors you'd like to incorporate into your image. Here, so on this box at the bottom, you can actually click on the X mark on that specific color if you want that removed. So here, as I mentioned, under harmony, you can have or change it to complementary colors rather, and then you have analogous colors, triad, split complementary, and you also have the square as the color palette for your specific image. So you can just delete colors here if you want that to be removed until you find the color that you're satisfied with on your design. You can definitely use that. So here, complementary colors are colors that are opposite on the color wheel. So let's say the opposite of purple is yellow, opposite of blue is orange. So you can definitely look into the color wheel. Analogous colors are actually the colors that are beside each other in the color scheme. So you have yellow, orange, orange, and yellow. You have that options. Here, this is an example of the color scheme where this will guide you more on choosing what type of colors or what type of harmony you'll be using into your vector artwork. So here you see that this is triad. Triad is simply forming a triangle, and all the points that is pointing into the color palette, that would be the colors used into the generative color that we are working on here. So you can simply use other colors as well, like this here, the disco color, and then you also can look into the different or learn more about the Adobe Recolor here as well. So you actually have a lot of options. Aside from Adobe Recolor, you can actually use other artworks that are available here, or you can start using your own design or your own color so that you will be able to automatically change the color schemes just with a click or just with a typing in a prompt in a very simple and easy manner here. So you can either use the sample prompts or you can type in the prompt depending on what type of theme you're achieving in your vector artwork. Just wait for it to load up and you're very free to download the image. But the thing here is that it will be downloaded as an SVG file. And that's basically it. That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.